Okay, so I'm done with the product. So later on, if you have questions with the product, feel free to ask me later on after the presentation. So right now, I will be starting the business side. So a while ago, we already settled the problems with our health with the products that I shared to you a while ago. Now we're going to solve your problems with your wealth or your money with this opportunity. So, but before that, let's try to discuss first the nature of business in our country or also other countries that has this kind of uh, business model. So normally, if a company or if a brand is being sold to a customer, it goes to a traditional way of distribution. So what's that? So the products being created in the factory, then the products there are being purchased by the wholesaler. The wholesaler distributes it to the area agents. The area agents have their own middleman that the middleman distributes to each retailer. Then the retailer gets the product for the customer or sell it to the customer. So imagine, so you have um, four phases before the product reaches to the customer, making it making the product really expensive. If for example, if your the manufacturer sells a shampoo for 50 cents, with this kind of distribution, the customer will purchase it roughly around like 500% from its original price. So 500, or let's say 5 pesos. All of this people, the wholesaler, area agents, middleman, and retailer already taken profit before the product reaches the customer. So what our company did, the network marketing way of distribution, so we eliminate this traditional way of distribution, meaning the factory products goes directly to the customer. What's the advantage? So more health benefits, earn more points for users, earn big revenue by, and also leverage yourself through others. You also gain financial freedom and time freedom. And ads are being also eliminated with this process. So thus making the customer as a distributor or a business person. So instead of you that is listening, watching this presentation, you are being empowered by the company to become a business person. Instead of people taking profit from your purchase, why not go directly to the factory or to the company so you could save more and and gain more money or profit from your own sales. So that is the network marketing way of distribution. So with that, Empower Consumerism is a multi-level marketing business. So we're talking about business. So let's cut to the chase. So for you to be part or to be a business distributor, you will just need to purchase a global package, which is 8,999 pesos. Nhoy, that's really expensive. Yes, if you take a look at it as an expense, it's really expensive. And on top of that, if you just see that 8,999 without any product or any return, that's really expensive and will not encourage you to buy that. But what are we sharing in our company? Our company is sharing opportunity for you to be a business person. So 8,999 is a small price pay. And but wait, you will not, you will not purchase a global package without receiving anything. So here are the key benefits of purchasing a global package. So first, number one, you will get products worth 12 to 15,000. Yes, that's correct. So you pay 8,999, you get products worth 12,000 to 15,000. That's over 100 percent return of investment already via products. So what else? You will gain lifetime discount, 25 to 50% lifetime discount when you reorder products. You also receive a free medical checkup with our partnered clinics. You will also get insurance, personal accident insurance worth 200,000 pesos. Now I will highlight this for a moment. So why is it important to have an insurance? So I don't want, don't want to tell any names, but insurance is very important nowadays because accident is a thief. You don't know when, how accidents will happen. But at least, if anything happens to a distributor that purchased this global package, their family relatives or their loved ones will receive 200,000 personal accident insurance. So that's already value for money enough with that benefit alone. So what else? Again, what else? You also receive a scholarship certificate. This is transferable scholarship certificate. So you'll get discounts for miscellaneous or tuition depending on the school and the level of the students that will enroll. So meaning you will get discounts. For example, just a sample computation, if your tuition is 30,000 and you applied for scholarship with our partnered schools, and that, let's say for example, that school only provides 50% discount for the tuition. So 30,000 less 50%, that's 15,000 discount. That's only for one sem. If your student is in college level, one sem, 15,000 discount. That's really big discount for your education, for the education of your kids, your children, or any person that you will transfer this scholarship certificate. What else? You will receive a business kit, marketing materials for you to further know our business, our products in detail. And also you will get you will get your own tracking center or web page. Meaning once you join, you will already get your web page. This is the web page that where you can encash, you will monitor your sales, and also you will leverage, guys. If you don't know any business that with accounting, the website will already compute everything for you. You'll just need to click. If you have, you'll just encash your revenue, your income. The computer will, or the system will compute it for you automatically. No need for you to compute manually. That's great, having to leverage with the accounting side of your business. So that's really excites me a lot. Not all companies are this, provides their own distributor with their own tracking center. Not all. So what else? You can apply your ATM, BD, or BPI. This is where you will transfer your income revenue from your web page. Now, aside from that, so this business, so with a potential income of 24,000 per day. What else? By doing the business, our company sets goals for travel. So for, let's say for example, you want to hit the Palawan tour. So you'll just need to hit a certain point. Once you reach that, by doing the business, you earn your own income. Plus, the company will, reward you with a travel incentive for free, all expense paid by the company. You're not doing the business yet. You're just getting the benefit of the global package. Now let's go to the business. So again, scholarship program, 25 to 100% discount on tuition fees, transferable. So I'll just discuss the basic four, so that we could further understand the basic income. So first is retailing. So again, once you are a member of Empowered Consumerism, you will get 25 to 50% product discount. So meaning, let's say for example, C247, the SRP is 1320. You'll get that for your next reorder at only 990. So meaning, if you ever you sell this C247, you'll get a markup of 330 pesos, or your profit of 330 pesos. Let's say in a month, or in a week rather, you sold 10 boxes of C247. So how much earning will you get? So you get 3,300 by just selling 10 boxes. Sometimes there are people that are, good at selling, and there are people that are not. You just don't need to sell the product. You just need to share the benefit of the product. People are allergic to people that are selling them products. So why not just tell them the information? If they like it, they might try it. If they try it, you'll get profit. So next is direct referral bonus. So for every package sold, you will earn 700 pesos referral fee. So meaning the 8999 global package, if you sold let's say 10 package in 1 week, so you will gain 700 times 10, so that's 7,000 revenue, unlimited, for the direct referral bonus. As long as, for example, if you can able to sell 30, you're able to sell 30 global package in a month, so that's 21,000. That's more than enough, or over, comparing to the wages of people working in the company. 21,000 is very, very competitive income. So you hear the packages. So next is pairing bonus. So for every pair, you will get 1,800 pesos for every pair. So meaning, for example, okay, our company will divide you into two sales group, left sales group, right sales group. So for every matching by the system, you will get 1,800 pesos. For example, for example, this is Chris. Chris invited a relative. So the relative just watch, or you invited the relative in this kind of presentation for them to further know the business, or probably get to know the products that we are sharing to them. If they like it, so you will get the direct referral bonus. Then on your right, let's say you've invited your friend. He also watched, or was invited in this kind of presentation. They like the product, they purchase the global package. So the benefits that you get, they will also get the benefit, right, of the global package. But wait. So our company, or the system, will detect if there is one person or one package sold on the right sales group and the left sales group. It matches, you gain 1,800 pesos. Then for every, let's say for example, the relative invited 2 person, those 2 person joined, and also your friend invited 1 person. As long as the system detects a package sold in the left and in the right and it matches, you will get 1,800, 1,800, 1,800 for each pairing. So that is really, really awesome. Okay. So again, just to clarify this, we are not in the like a recruitment. So we sell a global package, and each global package has points. So the scenario is if two person, one on the left, one on the right, purchase a package, you will get a pairing of 1,800. So each package is 1,200 product points. So this is the first scenario, person to person. But also, aside from that, products also have points. So for every accumulation of products being consumed by the people under your organization, and also the people that you share the business, so meaning uh, product and package, or people that purchase the package accumulated 1,200 points on the left, 1,200 points on the right, you will get 1,800 pesos. Worst case scenario, there are no longer people, as people are already members of Empowered Consumerism. Does the 1,800 pairing stops? No. There's a third scenario. For every product accumulation of 1,200 points on your left sales group and on your right sales group, meaning product to product, 1,200 product points, 1,200 points matches, you will still get 1,800 pesos. So imagine that. A very, very competitive compensation plan by Empowered Consumerism. So guys, we also have a safety net. So meaning for every day, there is only a maximum of 28,800 income per day for the match sales bonus. Wait. Okay. So for it is the Unilevel. This one is a commission base. You will get up to 5 to 10% commission for each product that is being sold under your organization, being consumed by the people under your organization. From the first level to the 10th level, you will get 5% to 10% commission. So for example, C24/7, 5% commission is 1250. So if you have 1,000 boxes of 1,000 boxes of C24/7 that is being consumed by the people under your organization, 5%, 1250, 1250 times 1,000, that's how much. That is on top of your retailing, on top of your direct referral bonus, on top of your pairing bonus. So imagine guys, Unilevel, this is a monthly income, while the pairing bonus is a daily income. So okay, so that wraps up my presentation. So again, if you have any questions, feel free, you can unmute now. And also you can also help my social media platforms by subscribing to my YouTube channel, Facebook page, Twitch, Patreon, TikTok. So that's all.